Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? This is the second part for the whole Jeffree Star series, right? And if you haven't seen the first video, I will link that in the description box and in the I button. And there's going to be another video after this, so there are going to be these three videos definitely for Jeffree Star because I love him. So today I have for you this mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the smallest mystery box, and let me remind you, this is the first time I'm actually shopping from Jeffree Star. So everything in this mystery box is literally new to me. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so this is how this box is. This is like a blue with Jeffree Star logo and snow, because this is the winter mystery box. That's why it is blue in color with this whole frost theme. And this box was for $25 and contains three things. So three things, obviously the three things were a mystery, right? So I ordered this on 11th December, and the page I got this from, Instagram store, I will link in the description box. It was Beauty Bar Lounge India, right? And I ordered it on 11th December. That was the day it went live, and I received it on approximately like you can say 29th 30th Jan ish, almost like 1.5 month after I ordered it. So yeah, right? So that was that, and three things in this. And although I obviously wasn't sure of what I'm going to get inside it, I have seen a lot of videos from different YouTubers that have already shown what was inside of this. And so I had an idea. Like, I did know there's going to be a scrub, a lip gloss, and a lipstick, but the shades, the flavors, I wasn't sure of. And let me say, I'm happy. Okay, so this was the first thing. This is the scrub. Now, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour lip scrub. I will all of this, I have a reel for that. You can check it on my Instagram, or I'll just put it on my YouTube sometime, but just check it on my Instagram, I would say. So that is that. So this is the Velour lip scrub. Like, look at this pink fantasy. Like, he's a fan of this pink packaging, and I don't mind it. So this is in the flavor watermelon, and this is how it looks from inside. I used it today. You can clearly see this gunk, this whole dunk in it. So yeah, this is because I used it. It smells like a very fresh better watermelon. Like, see, there is this watermelon melon flavor, right? From the ones we had from marbles, right? If you have eaten marbles, if you had them, you know what this smells like. This is so good. And this is basically watermelon ka flavor into some sugar, and this is edible. I literally tasted it, and it's sugar in watermelon flavor. It's yummy actually. It's very sweet, but it's yummy. I like the flavor. Right, so this was the first thing. And there were actually 4 boxes, and they were very costly for my Indian ass, because okay, dollar to this whole conversion in India, plus the shipping and the customs and stuff. So this is the second thing, and this is the gloss, and this is in peach wet thing. And for this particular winter box edition, mostly nude shades and glosses were the ones that were being sent to people, maybe because that is where people align more. Like, people don't wear green lipsticks, so maybe he thought, let's go for the nude ones, or maybe, I don't know, these might be near their expiration dates or whatever. This is the gloss in peach wet, and whoa, this is how it looks. Just look at it. This just literally goes with my whole sweater aesthetic, like, so this is this, and it is actually an orange sort of gloss, and it has peach to pink kind of sheen. See, it has both peach, pink, and golden sheen to it. Actually, it has more like a pink sheen to it. So orange with the pink shift is what this gloss is, and I'm wearing on the lips, and it looks juicy. It's nice. Okay. And okay, all of these products, since they were in this box, they almost are like 50-ish off from their original price. So because this whole box was 25 rupees, so each product is like 50% off already. So if this one costed for, I don't know, I mean, I'll put everything in the description box. If you want to buy separately any of these, you can literally check out on Instagram stores, right? Or wherever. So you can definitely try that out. And the third and the final thing that I have is this Velour liquid lipstick. And Velour liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star is one of his very first products, and he's actually known for them. So these are like a hit formula, and this is the lipstick. Now this, I'm wearing this, but for me personally, this is a very, very light color. Like, this is a nude, in their nude color. This is literally my skin tone. So it looks very washed out on me. Specifically, I mean, it doesn't look this washed out usually, but specifically with this clothes that I'm wearing, it actually looks very, very light. So definitely not a good color thing for me. So this was in Celebrity Skin. If I would have chosen myself, I would have rather gone for Family Jewels or Leo. That is more like my type of color. And this is how it is. It is very light, as I said, and it sort of looks very, it is very light for me, right? But it doesn't look that bad. I mean, the way it was looking bad with this clothing and stuff, it's bad, I know, but it's not that bad. Now, this lipstick actually has like a smell to it. Now, how can I say? Like, this smells like little Iodex. Like, if you tone down the smell of Iodex a little bit, this is what it smells like. And I absolutely love it. Okay, I love it. Now I have actually a few things to show to you guys. And I was literally just sitting one day chilling, and I was like, okay, I see something over here. Now I have these three lipsticks with me. Okay. Oh, I have these three lipsticks with me. Okay. So this is Jeffree Star, this is Wet n Wild, and this is PAC. Okay. I'll show you separately. This is PAC Retro Gloss. This is Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is Wet n Wild in Catsuit and Give Me Mocha. Okay. Okay. Just look at these. Do you see any difference in the packaging from above and from below? Like, this is copycatting. Okay. Another thing, this is the applicator for PAC, right? So you see, this is the applicator, slanted applicator for PAC, right? So this is in teddy velvet teddy bear shade, something like that. Now the applicator for Wet n Wild one is again the same, very much same, this one, right? And now the applicator for this Jeffree Star one is this again. So Wet n Wild one is like a clear copy of this. PAC is a copy, but it's like, okay, copy kar liya, but thoda sa badal dena. That is PAC's applicator. So these are literally the same packaging, and I was like, whoa. Okay, Wet n Wild I know is very notorious for actually copying stuff, but I had no idea PAC was the same. So this Velour liquid lipstick actually I know is for $18 for sure. And now this formula is very comfortable. Like, I'm wearing it. I literally layered it twice. I literally layered it once, then I put a cream lipstick of another shade, then I layered it again, and then it is literally 2 to 3 layers of different lipsticks. But I am having this very comfortable moment. I'm not feeling like, oh my god, my lips are cracking, because even though it is a very I don't know how to say this, a matte liquid lipstick, it is very comfortable on your lips, and it doesn't crack your lips or dry it down. It definitely is very comfortable. So if you want to choose a color, a nude shade for your Indian skin tone, I would say go for Family Jewels, Leo, and I think Gemini is one of them. I think these are like 3-4 shades that I would recommend you to go for. Definitely, since I have tried this now, I know how it feels like. I will go for another shades as well. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so yeah, this is this. So this is how it literally looks, and it's quite pale. So this is it for today's video, guys. And yeah, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.